Decoding the phrase, Black Ops. Hello dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English phrases, and we're going to explore the meaning behind the term, Black Ops. You might have heard it in movies, video games, or news. But what does it really mean? Let's find out. The term, Black Ops, is short for Black Operations. Historically, it's linked with military and governmental contexts. These are secret missions or projects carried out by government agencies, military personnel, or private groups. They're covert, meaning they are not openly acknowledged or publicly known. In popular culture, Black Ops often refers to 1. Special military missions. These can be for things like assassinations, sabotage, or espionage. They're usually high risk and are kept under wraps to maintain secrecy and surprise. 2. Video games. You might have come across titles like Call of Duty, Black Ops. Here, the game immerses players in the world of covert operations and special missions. 3. Movies and TV. It's not uncommon to hear about Black Ops teams in action-packed movies or series, where they take on secret missions against enemies or uncover conspiracies. Using Black Ops in a conversation or in writing can give an element of intrigue. Here are some examples. 1. The movie is about a Black Ops team sent to retrieve classified information from an enemy base. 2. Some believe that many historical events have Black Ops behind them, pulling the strings in secrecy. 3. I just finished playing the latest Black Ops game, and it was thrilling. So, there you have it. The term, Black Ops, is deeply rooted in secrecy, intrigue, and covert operations. Whether you come across it in entertainment or in discussions about real-world events, you now know what it means. We hope this video has shed light on this fascinating term. Remember, language is full of exciting phrases waiting to be discovered. Happy learning!